How to test a car relay. To test a car relay, you're going to need a 12-volt source. In this case, we're using this car battery. You're going to need a multimeter that's capable of reading resistance, ideally one that has a continuity meter on it so that it gives you an audible tone when you have continuity. With the meter set on resistance, you take your relay and the poles that you're looking for continuity between are going to be labeled 30 and 87, and you're going to take the clips from your meter and you're going to clip them on and then you're going to take a set of test leads. In this case, these are battery clamps. You're going to attach them to your battery. You're going to take the other end and you're going to touch it to the 86 and 85 pins on the relay. And what you should do here is a click from the relay, and you should hear your tone on the meter, and that indicates that the relay is functioning. And when you let off with the lead, the continuity goes away, the meter stops, and that indicates that the relay is shut.